Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best FDM 3D printer. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, geetec. Model number, Thunder. Thunder is equipped with dual CPU processor, one for algorithm processing, heating control, screen display and etc. and the other CPU for realizing the closed-loop control of X-axis and Y-axis. Through the combination of dual CPU processor, Thunder achieves high-efficiency tasks allocation management. geetec Thunder specially designed a professional damping structure for the Y-axis, which intelligently manages the speed changing and largely reduces the vibration rate of the machine. It allows smoother movement for the hotbed. Thunder runs at the accuracy of 0.1 mm. No compromise to the printing quality even when you print at fast speed. The printed model come with fine finish, smooth curves, clear angles and solid structure. Both the X-axis and Y-axis of geetec Thunder are equipped with closed-loop drive. Compared with open-loop drive when using the same stepper motor, closed-loop drive can produce greater torque, faster response, and the printed model is not easy to dislocate. The all-metal construction design increases the weight of the machine, reducing the center of gravity of the machine and allowing fast speeds and extreme acceleration. Thunder adopts a closed-loop driver compared with an open-loop driver. When using the same stepper motor, a closed-loop driver can produce greater torque, allowing the printer to intelligently monitor the printing process and response in real time. The printed model is not easy to dislocate. Number 4. Brand name, trunksy. Model number, XY3 SE. XY3 SE is equipped with a high-sensitivity material broken detector. Once a material broken occurs, it will automatically stop printing and emit a warning sound. The newly upgraded glass platform makes the hotbed heat up faster, prints better adhesion, does not warp, easier to take the model and the print quality is more refined. Power failure resume printing. Intelligent printing, automatically remember the printing progress, and restart the machine to resume printing in breakpoint after power off. Newly added handle function, more user-friendly functions, making it convenient for users to carry, and more convenient to go out or carry. The ultra-quiet motherboard is equipped with an ARM high-performance processing chip and a TMC ultra-quiet driver, which makes printing process is quieter, more accurate, and more stable. The whole machine is composed of two parts, the upper frame and bottom base, which saves the cumbersome assembly process. Comes with lattice glass and trail automatic leveling sensor. Lattice glass adopts high-quality frosted special material coating and has high flatness, easy to take models, strong and durable. The newly upgraded automatic leveler can sense glass, metal and opaque materials, and is suitable for any printer model of trunksy. The automatic leveling function can avoid the printing failure caused by the uneven printing platform, which greatly improves the printing success rate. Number 3. Brand name, kilgroon. Model number, KP5L. Comes with almost entirely pre-assembled. It is very easy to set up and saves your time and energy. This 3D printer is a wonderful gift for beginners, allowing them to learn how to build their confidence in DIY machines. Kilgroon KP5L uses a carbon crystalline silicon glass plate that has a microporous structure, which not only makes the model easier to disassemble but also makes the hotbed flatter, providing a better printing effect. The integration of TMC 2225 silent driver makes the motherboard have both silent printing and precise voltage output control, which ensures a more accurate and silent printing. No need to adjust the voltage. The power supply automatically recognizes the 90 to 260 volt voltage, which ensures a more accurate. Compared with other extruders, Titan extruder is more forceful during the feeding process, more effectively improving the printing effects. Number 2. Brand name, Creality. Model number, Ender 3 Max Neo. Equipped with CR Touch, the 16-point automatic leveling can complete quickly with compensation for points printing height on the heat bed. Good efficiency saves much time. The 300 x 300 x 320 mm build volume enables large model printing or more small parts printing at a time, vastly improving the efficiency and offering more creation possibilities. Perfect coordination among dual Z-axes, timing belt and dual motors guarantees the stability and higher printing precision. Pre-assembly has solved those hassles and worries of parts assembly. Start your print with just 3 steps. The new upgraded extruder without pneumatic joint has high gear density, feed in smoothly, greatly improving the performance of printer. Ender 3 Max Neo features the function of detecting filament runout or breakage or power loss and resume printing after recovery. By accurately recording the printing data at the time of power outage or filament runout or breakage, it helps to avoid the waste of filaments and time caused by accidents. The new upgraded extruder without pneumatic joint has high gear density, feed in smoothly, greatly improving the performance of printer. And the brand new 32-bit silent mainboard runs at low decibel levels, greatly reducing noise to let you enjoy your printing. With icons added, the 4.3-inch color knob screen is optimized for better understanding. The automatic dimming out function saves energy. The 350-watt built-in power supply is of high quality. It is more secure and reliable without exposure to parts or wires, ensuring stable operation. The full metal Bowden extruder is more durable and has greater extrusion force. Say no to materials that are prone to jamming. Assisted by gears, filament loading and withdrawal is not a problem. The resume printing function can accurately record the data and restart the print from where it's left off. No need to worry about sudden power failure. A filament sensor is equipped to detect the sufficiency of consumables, avoiding wasting and enhancing the success rate. It's perfect for printing large-size models. Number 1. Brand name, Trunksy. Model number, CRUX 1. Trunksy CRUX 1 Mini 3D printer is a new desktop portable printer specially designed for beginners and weight is 5.8 kilograms. CRUX 1 FDM 3D printer is a 95% pre-installed device. Fast assembly, you can start the first print within minutes. CRUX 1 is a great small 3D printer for a novice hobbyist. It's also a good choice for creative and dream-seeking teens. Y-axis OS linear guide rail, high wear-resistant pulley runs smooth and speed, greatly improve the accuracy and stability. X-axis belt adjustment knob, easy to adjust the tightness of the belt, reduce the appearance of printing layers. Z-axis limit hand screw can easily adjust the height of Z-axis. CRUX 1 is a compact 3D printer with up to 10 more advanced features in a basic printer. You will be pleasantly surprised with this entry-level printer.